have sent her a dessert. A very special dessert. It starts so simply, just like poetry. First, a rush, heat, a heart flutters. Is it the wine? No. What is it, and what is the reason? And soon it does not matter, and all that matters is the feeling itself. The truth is, we are completely out of control.
Welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Today we're recreating the chocolate cake from The Matrix Reloaded, which is a flourless chocolate cake. First, we're going to make a sugar syrup, set that to a side, and then prepare a bain-marie for melting down your dark chocolate. Once this is fully melted, we're going to incorporate a lot of butter. So cube your butter and add it piece by piece, stirring as you go. Now, once your butter is thoroughly incorporated, you're going to gently pour in your reserved sugar syrup. And this is going to make a beautifully smooth texture. Once that's thoroughly incorporated, we're going to add in our eggs one by one. So, with our chocolate batter prepared, just take your baking tin, I'm going to line that with some greaseproof paper, pour in your rich, indulgent chocolate batter, and let's get this in to bake. 150 degrees, 45 minutes, and pour some water into the bottom of the baking tray for a smooth, gentle, and even bake. Once completely cool, remove from the baking tin, peel off the greaseproof paper, turn this out, finish with some cocoa powder, and you're ready to serve. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, make sure to hit like, share the video, and to really support, subscribe. And I'll see you next time.